Hello everyone, what's up? So in this video we are going to be doing a speed test comparison between Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 versus Redmi Note 5 Pro. Asus obviously has a little bit more powerful chipset, Snapdragon 660 versus Snapdragon 636 on Redmi Note 5 Pro. But anyways guys, let's do this. And I've already done two speed test comparison with Asus, one with Honor 7 8X and Honor 9N. So you can check that out on the channel as well. And yeah guys, let's get straight in the video and start both this phone at the same time. Here we go. And after this I'll be doing with Honor 7X, so make sure you're subscribed. Asus and Honor 8X will pretty soon get the Android Pie update, so it will be interesting to see that as well. And Asus is really quick to boot up, as we have seen, thanks to the stock Android experience. And let's see what happens in this one. Let's see. And okay, once again Asus is faster to boot up. Note 5 Pro, okay, it's not done yet. Okay, it's done as well. So let's quickly set this up and all guys. And yeah guys, everything is closed, starting with the basics. Phone dialer, I think that was faster on Asus. Okay, so this time it's Redmi Note 5 Pro settings, that felt really similar. Camera, okay, that opened faster on Redmi Note 5 Pro. Okay, so let's move on and open YouTube. And okay, I think that was really similar. Pinterest, okay, this time it's Asus. Snapchat, same result, Asus just a little bit faster. What about Facebook? Again, a little bit faster on Asus. Let's open Instagram. Okay, that was really same. Let's try to open some games guys, starting with this Orbia. And okay, Asus on the winning side. Let's open this game, Smash It. And again, a little bit faster on Asus once again. Let's open this game, Real Racing. I always forget the name of this game. Can Redmi Note 5 Pro do a little comeback? Let's see. And okay, yes, it is actually a little bit faster on Redmi Note 5 Pro. Let's move on to the next game, Flappy Bird, faster on Asus. Okay, so let's open Subway Surfers. And till now it's been Asus, and once again it's looking faster over here as well. And yes, on the winning side Asus. Redmi Note 5 Pro not far behind, done. And let's finally open GTA San Andreas. And this is again seems to be really fast on Asus, and you can see there is a huge difference. And yes, faster on Asus. Redmi Note 5 Pro still not done. Okay, so finally it's done. So yeah guys, that's it for the gaming. Let's open few shopping apps and then we'll have a look at the RAM management. Shopping app, Amazon, and this is open at the same time. No, this is faster on Redmi Note 5 Pro. Banggood. And okay, so this time it's faster on Asus. Flipkart, opened on Asus and loaded as well, so a little bit faster on Asus. Let's check out the RAM management. Facebook, refreshed. Snapchat, again refreshed. Smash It, refreshed. 3 Real Race, refreshed. Subway Surfer, refreshed. What about this Flappy Bird? So something that is in the RAM. Orbia, okay, it's in the RAM. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I don't know what's wrong with the RAM management of Asus, but there we have a speed test comparison. And Asus a little bit faster when it compared to Redmi Note 5 Pro, and it's also a really old phone, so just keep in mind that as well. A new phone is a new phone. And yeah guys, like, subscribe, share, and as always, peace out.